At the dawn of time.
You mean like the early 1990s?
Ahem. At the dawn of the early 1990s, the sun rises on a new world. Mankind's future, nay, their very lives may depend on a vital and growing technology.
Dude, really?
Dun dun dun!
Since the introduction of the internet on a consumer level, a lot has changed in the way people gather information. From the advent of personal computers and smartphones to the way we watch TV. Before the internet, finding a lawyer looked like this.
Let us observe as the domesticated male accident victim reaches for the phone. Slowly, slowly, he picks it up.
Well, it's not like that anymore. We live in an age of mobile, on-demand information sharing. Your clients are getting their information when and where they need it. The trick for you is to be there when and where they're looking. And they're looking everywhere. Televisions, smartphones, tablets, computers, all portals for your potential clients to find you. And that's why it's so important to have a comprehensive and branded online broadcast and digital presence. Studies show that when a business advertises on television, their web traffic goes up an average of 30%. Bob is fine. He's just hanging out watching TV when he sees a commercial for the law offices of Bowler & Vaughn. He thinks it's a great spot, but he doesn't need a lawyer right now. However, now the attorney's name is filed somewhere in the back of his mind. A little while later, Bob is driving around and gets clobbered by a distracted driver. He's hurt and can't work. Since he has nothing better to do, he decides to watch a little TV on his laptop and boom, there's that name again. Bob opens his browser and does a search for car, accident, lawyer, Madison. Hey, there's that firm, Bowler & Vaughn, and at the top of the page no less. At first, Bob doesn't know what to look for, but the website makes a good impression and he starts surfing the site. He's finding a lot of helpful information, like what types of cases Bowler & Vaughn handles, how a lawsuit works, how long Bowler & Vaughn has been in practice. And look, there's even a web video showing Michelle Vaughn in action. Bob's ready to chat. He picks up his smartphone and calls the number. He's impressed as the intake agent makes Bob feel like he's the most important client they'll ever have. She listens, she cares, and most importantly, she lets Bob know that she and the law firm she represents understand what he's going through and that he can trust them to help in any way they can. Bob is a happy guy.